I'm at Bangalore, the Silicon City of India. As a spine surgeon, I see about 4 or 5 new patients with back and neck pain per day in my hospital and clinic. Many of them are those new generation techies who have perennial back and neck pain issues over the years. What is the reason for back pain in techies? How to treat? Let's explore in this video. Wait till the end, my friends. I will give you 7 time-tested tips to keep that nagging techie back and neck pain away from your lives. Hello and welcome. This is Dr. Arun Naik from DocLogs channel, helping you to have dialogues with your doctor. I am a neurosurgeon and a health blogger. Dialogue with your doctor is called a DocLog. In this channel, we have dialogues on brain and heart health, lifestyle diseases, cancer, spine health, preventive health, and much more to help you take control of your health and to be on the positive side of your health. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to DocLogs. All the info told in this video, I will leave the link in the description box below. If you want, you can check those out. That said, let's have a DocLog. Techies are a breed of hi-fi professionals who are rapidly growing in their numbers. The lifestyle of techies is infamously stressful and tough. They have to, at times, work according to the timings of their overseas clients. So many of my patients work during the graveyard shifts to adjust the time zones. Let's see why techies are prone for back pain. Number 1, physical inactivity. Techies are famous for their inactive lifestyle. Well, they get up early in the morning, get ready and spend a couple of hours in their cabs, mostly napping. They sit and work all the day and get back to cab and return home in the evening or night to watch TV, have dinner and sleep. Friends, physical inactivity is a disease by itself and is recognized by World Health Organization as a health concern itself. This causes obesity, cholesterol issues, premature heart attacks, brain strokes, and much more. Number 2, obesity. Many techies are overweight due to their irregular lifestyle and inactivity. This puts them at higher risk of developing back and neck pains. Number 3, poor posture. A study has shown more than 90% of techies have poor posture, and that causes a lot of back and neck pain issues. Number 4, junk foods. Techies love junk foods. They binge on burgers, fried foods and colas. These junk foods are notorious triggers for back and neck pain. Watch my channel to know more about this connection. Number 5, smoking. Many techies are smokers as well, and smoking is definitely a major risk factor to develop back and neck pain. Smoking chokes and blocks your small spinal bones blood supply and starts degeneration in the bones early in life. I always see this triad of risk factors in techies: inactivity, obesity and smoking. So this triad is a perfect recipe for a back pain. That takes me to the next most dangerous factor number 6, stress. Friends, mental stress we know is increasing in techies. Job insecurity, constant change of job, pandemic which is going on and on, puts them for developing anxiety and stress. When stress becomes out of control, they slip into mental depression. Depression causes many psychosomatic pain disorder by itself, including back pain and neck pain, which may be intractable in some patients. Now, how to treat techies back and neck pains? Most common reason for techie back pain is what we call mechanical back pain due to poor posture. There is no structural issues or problem here. Many of them they get relieved with posture correction, mild medications and spinal exercises. I may get an MRI scans in some patients in whom pain remains for more than 3 weeks. Very occasionally, I see diseases like spinal disc prolapse or canal stenosis. Watch DocLogs channel to know more about these spinal diseases. Most of them get good relief with these measures. Very rarely they may need to undergo a spinal surgery. Friends, these are my tips for a trouble-free back pain, especially for techies. Number 1, take a break. Don't get glued to the chair for hours. Every 1 hour of sitting, take a 5 minutes break and take a stroll in your office, do some neck and back office stretches. Go to DocLogs channel. I have a video of 5 minutes office stretches for techies. Majority of my techies patients report good relief of pain within a few days of doing these simple office stretches. Number 2, improve your sitting posture. Not only sitting, posture is very important on our every move. Watch a separate video again on my channel on how to correct your posture in 5 minutes. Posture correction gives dramatic relief in your neck and back pain, friends. Most important thing is to maintain good posture at all times, whether inside the office or outside of it. Number 3, avoid junk foods. Friends, junk foods are known back enemies. They induce inflammation in your spinal bones, discs and ligaments over a period of time. Watch DocLogs channel for my specific video on junk food and how it causes disease. In addition to back pain relief, you can also avoid heart attacks, brain strokes and those cholesterol issues after you stop junk foods. Number 4, hydration. Friends, hydrate yourself well. Air-conditioned room prevents water drinking. Techies often forget to drink water in between their meals. Dehydration is shown to cause early degen changes in your spinal bones, discs and ligaments. I always tell my clients to drink 2 liters of water during their office hours to keep them well hydrated. Let's go to the next tip. Tip number 5, very important. Stop smoking. Friends, stop smoking and you will see your back pain disappearing in 3-4 weeks of time. Believe me, it works. Number 6, exercises. Techies and exercises don't go hand in hand, friends. They always tell me that they don't have time for that. Diseases like diabetes, hypertension, etc. are actually occupational hazards of being a software engineer. All these are finally related to obesity and inactivity. And don't forget that smoking. You need to devote time for your body. Indulge in regular exercises like gymming, cardio, running, jogging, swimming or dancing. Choose any activity that raises your heart rate to around 80% of your peak heart rate. 30 minutes per day of 5 days a week, friends. You will see the changes in the next 30 days. Many of my patients say doing yoga has cured their back pain. In my personal experience also, yoga has helped me get rid of my back pains. Let's go to the next tip. Tip number 7. Avoid excess alcohol. Excess alcohol is shown to increase inflammation in your spinal bones and discs. I always advise my patients to avoid heavy alcohol use and come down and moderate their alcohol use. With that, friends, we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching and hope you found this video helpful. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up as always. Share this video with your near and dear ones to put them also on the positive side of their health. If you have a techie friend, definitely ask him or her to watch this video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to DocLogs. It will be my great honor and privilege to have you guys among this ever-growing community of DocLoggers. Hit that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos as I upload twice weekly. Are you a desk job person or a techie? If so, please tell me about your back pain. If you have a tip of your own which helped you to get rid of your back pain, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Till my next one, feel awesome, live awesome and take good care of your health and backbone too.